So the water from Katrina, I'm showing this house because every bit of this flooded. Because even though I'm about to show you how far away the water is, but every bit of this flooded all the way to that house, that first house I just showed y'all. All these homes just were ruined and people built back, and then here's the Gulf of Mexico. That's the University Marina. Look how nice, Gulf Coast Research Lab. And this is still in Ocean Springs. Oh, it's windy. And then all these homes they've built since then. Beautiful homes in Ocean Springs on the beach across the street. This is called East Beach. And this property, the beach, is not private. Their docks are, but the beach, there's just nowhere to park without getting a ticket. There were there's just a few bargain places. But I wanted to show y'all how pretty this is. There is a place down here I might be able to get out. It's been a while since I've been here, and I don't know if they still have public parking or not. I do not have my sandals with me. It's the Norwood house. It's actually redone. It was an old home, beach home. They redid it after Katrina. I guess I'll get out of the middle of the road, huh? And you can see, oh, that's pretty. I haven't ever seen that house. How the storms have tore up and just left derelict piers. But the seagulls are loving it. Yeah, I can see there is public parking, but it looks like it's busy. I don't know. See if I can. Oh, I should have just parked right there. I'm not parking in the sand. I'll never get out of it. No, pooey. There's a city worker. See, I haven't seen those homes. Those are all new. We have to turn around. I will turn around at the Walter Anderson homestead up here. I think I can probably turn around. On up here, there's a little park. Oh wow. Well, I know it's not moved. There it is, Shearwater Pottery. This is where Walter Anderson made his pottery. Got the little potter's wheel thing, or I don't know, some kind of wheel. That's not a potter's wheel. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. I love it back here. I mean, they're not that far from the water. They're not on the water. They're just not that far from the water. So you can see the small craft harbor out that way. It didn't say they're closed on Tuesdays, but I don't know. You never know till you get down here. I'll roll the windows up before I get deer fly in my car. This is all owned by the Anderson family, I guess, and nope, I don't think there's anybody there. Keep going down that way and you'll end up in the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, now there's just a little bit of space. Just park right here, and hopefully I don't get too much sand in my tennis shoes. Oh wow, it is so hot out here. I know it's breezy. I have tennis shoes on, but that's the bridge that I came over earlier. If you can see it. Storms just tore down all the trees out there at the islands. They would have once looked a lot like that. There's a barge. Look. I was wondering what was making that noise. As close as I can get y'all. I'm not sure if that's a osprey or if that's some. I don't know what that is. This community just in the city. Wow, it's beautiful. Destin, where it's just, white, powdery sand. The sand's different. There's not a lot of shells. Every once in a while you can find a shell. And you can find glass. I mean, I have found glass. I don't even have any flip-flops in my car. I used to carry them all the time. I'm going back out. They still make the pottery here. They fire it up. I'm not sure what building. I've been to it, but it's a little, I think we got out and walked, and now I'm not sure, but I'm surprised I don't see some alligators crossing the road, or snakes. This is water right there. Oh, let's see. Okay. That's not it. It had big doors. I'm looking for a building with large wooden doors. Okay, that was it right there. Yeah, that's the door. There was a guy standing in the door. So and they try to keep it air conditioned. I do know that. That's a cool piece of property. I hope y'all can hear me. I had to turn the air on full blast. It's so hot down here. It's sultry hot. And this, thought I would show y'all another area or view, point of view. Found another Goodwill, so we're gonna go in here and see if they have anything, because I did not buy anything at America's Thrift Store, and I just didn't see anything that I thought I could resell or use in my home. They always have that music so loud. That's cute. Oh, I like those. $5.99. Yes, I was right. The music is very loud in the store. My mic was picking up everything. I couldn't believe those glasses were $5.99 a piece. That is crazy. I I don't think they were part of the half off for that week, but I'm gonna keep looking and searching for that little special thing that I think I can buy and flip for a profit. It is the coast, so I end up finding a lot of coastal themed. And this looks like a beautiful mermaid shirt for $6.49. I'd wear it, I'd buy it, but that wasn't my size, my style, and I didn't need it. And I'm headed to the back. I am bound and determined to find that one thing. It has gotten harder and harder to, at least for me, to purchase things and flip them for a profit. And this is a cute little outfit for Christmas, but there's just no profit. And it's nothing that I actually need. I come across all these little Christmassy decor, some great things. But if I don't need it for my house, or someone that I know is not looking for it, and I don't think I can flip it for a profit, I just don't purchase it. Look how cute. Oh, and this 31 bag. It was like an insert. Probably cost a small fortune when it was brand new. And I'm always looking in all the holidays. Doesn't matter what time of year, what's going on, the seasons. I'm just always looking for all the holidays. And I can't figure out what this is. For $1.99, I still don't know what it's supposed to be used for. If you know, let me know. I thought this needlepoint looked really nice. I love the colors, but it looked like it was missing something. I didn't think I could flip it for a profit. I was curious to see what they'd price this at. It looks like $9.99. The frame was messed up, and the picture wasn't very clear. And these, I have had luck with that, but you can tell I've just about given up. you know, their shelves aren't even that full, and the prices are just, they're marked so high. And this is a little file. I really like the file basket. I don't know. I thought about just using it in my craft room, but I just didn't go back to it. It's $1.99 for that little bowl. Not sure what it said. And just trying to get a feel for the prices in this area to see what they're pricing their products or their, you know, their donated items at. I don't live down there, so I'm a little unsure of their price points. And that little canister, I did not go over there. I don't think I go over there and I'll look at it, but it reminds me of the little Mary Englebright. And then the embroidered pillow was really pretty. Not sure if that was vintage or not. Just seeing all kind of little plates and looking at the prices. Looks like they had some restaurant wear. Not sure how collectible that is. And I'm always looking in the glassware, looking for my Waterford. I can usually spot it a mile away. I already have most of those rolling pins in my collection, so leave that alone. And here's something else I don't know what it is. What in the world? It's a little wobbly. I don't know if that's some type of spice rack. Then I find the little cheese board. Those are cute, but I wouldn't spend $4.99. Salt and pepper shakers. No, those are candle holders. Bright and cheery, 2 for $3.99. Had no luck in the art department, so I went to the shoes, and I couldn't figure out if these were real snake skin. They looked really nice, and of course, I'm going to look at all the little figurines and look at the little cat. The little granny cat. It's lost a... She's so sad. Lost a leg. A hand. A cat tail. And they're still going to try to sell it. And I'm not really seeing anything. There's some artwork. And they're just prints. Looks like the price was $12.99. And that looks like an original, but it could have been a print, and it just talks about who drew it. And then I spot some vintage Disney. And they're not in that great a shape, but like if you did junk journals, or, you know, if you wanted to tear it up, I guess you could. It's so many Disney characters, and I don't think I ever saw Mickey Mouse. I think I saw everything but Mickey. But they had a lot of books, and I don't even know if I end up looking at the price or their... But spoiler alert, I don't end up getting it. From the 1970s. So cute. I'm starting to get sad. I'm not finding anything. I didn't buy anything in there. Just, there's good stuff that people need, but just not what I need. So I have no haul.